Okay, we're going to do some serratus anterior strengthening by doing a foam roller wall slide exercise. So you start with the foam roller against the wall and your forearms against there. You want to put a little bit of pressure with your forearms into the foam roller, maintain that, and then roll up. Then come back to the starting position, up and down a few times. And we can progress this exercise by adding a band to this to help strengthen your external rotators a little bit more. Again, using the foam roller, maintain that pressure and also that distance between